wiki.easybib.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 6 best leather aprons. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6, the Westchester Iron Cat 7010 can stand up to the sparks that come from grinding and has cotton straps that are soft and easy to adjust. It features 2 chest pockets for small tools or accessories and is 42 inches long. It fits tall people well and is a good all-purpose shop model. However, the waist strap is too short for some. At number 5, the heavy split cowhide on the Lincoln Electric KH804 makes it suitable for light welding, while its patchwork design allows for uninhibited movement. An adjustable harness allows it to fit on just about any body shape and size. It protects clothing from spatter and can withstand a molten glass spill, but it doesn't have any pockets. Coming in at number 4 on our list, with the words "Grab Life by the Grill" sewn into the patch, the Outset F240 makes a good gift for a barbecue lover. Its deep pockets can hold seasoning, tongs, and other things you need to keep on hand when you're flipping burgers and steaks. It's made of soft-to-the-touch suede with high-quality stitching. However, it's a touch heavy on the neck. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for leather aprons, or simply click beneath this video. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, if you just need to protect the lower half of your body, the Westchester Iron Cat 7012 is a good choice. It's sewn with Kevlar thread, which is incredibly tough and can withstand temperatures of up to 800 degrees without melting. This one's affordable and built to last, yet feels lightweight and soft. It protects your pants from being shredded. At number 2, the design of the Steiner WellDried 92166 eschews neck straps and the chafing that can come with them. With rivet-reinforced stress points, it can handle plenty of movement without the leather wearing out, and at 42 inches long, it provides a lot of protection. It includes a convenient bib pocket and few seams for comfort. It's easy to take off quickly. And taking the top spot on our list, the Keylink Q LWW1 features a generous 6 pockets, so it can hold more tools and accessories than most options. It offers great value for the reasonable price, and its genuine cowhide is at least 1.5 millimeters thick to deliver dependable durability and protection. This one can fit even XXL-sized people and comes with a money-back satisfaction guarantee and a mobile phone pocket. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for leather aprons, or simply click beneath this video.